Meet Sue. She used to struggle with an unstable mindset, feeling overwhelmed by life's challenges. Sue felt like she was drowning, unable to catch a breath. But her story took a remarkable turn when she decided to shift her mindset. Sue realized that she had the power to change her perspective and strengthen herself. She started incorporating new strategies into her life. She began practicing gratitude, focusing on the positives rather than dwelling on the negatives. She embraced mindfulness, learning to stay present in the moment and finding peace within herself. Sue also prioritized her physical health, knowing that a strong body supports a strong mind. And she surrounded herself with supportive friends who uplifted her during tough times. Today, Sue's life is filled with positivity and purpose. By changing her mindset and adopting new strategies, she transformed her struggles into strength. Sue said that she learned that she's capable of so much more than she could ever imagine. Remember, no matter how difficult life may seem, you have the power to change your mindset and overcome any obstacle. Also, strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. So embrace the power of perspective and watch yourself grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories like Sue's. Bye for now.